Okay, so we're just going to learn some lines and angles here. This is just the basics that you need to know. First thing you need to know this word, parallel and perfect, even as it actually has two parallel lines there. Parallel means two lines that will never intersect. So if you shot a laser this way and this way, they would never ever crisscross. They can be any direction. As long as they're parallel, it's perfect. Okay? A shape that's got parallel lines, if I drew this beautifully, would be a rectangle. See, it's got a set here, and it's got a set there. Doesn't have to be straight like this. Could also be like here and here. This shape is called a parallelogram. There, you've got parallel lines right there. I'm going to erase that really fast, move on to our next concept. Perpendicular. Perpendicular, you just have to know the magic number, and the magic number is 90. 90 degrees. Means if you've got a line right here, a perpendicular line intersects it at a 90-degree angle. So it makes a perfect corner. If you're not sure if it's a 90-degree angle, just get a piece of paper, put it right there. So this right here, this might look perpendicular to some people, but if I take this handy dandy piece of paper and I put it, oh, that is not perpendicular at all. So big old fail on this one and a pass on this guy. So the word you need to know for Monday is perpendicular. And just like in fractions, you've got your benchmark fractions, the famous ones, the ones like that are, you know, half, you know, the quarters, maybe you know thirds. And in angles, you need to know all the benchmark angles. So I'm just going to show you the basics. You've got this, look, it's a perfect circle. Hey, it would be 360 degrees. Full circle, 360 degrees. Let's just try to take half that. Half a circle, like that much, would be 180 degrees. So if you're looking at this, if you've got this dot right here, I'm going to call this dot A. I extend a line segment out here, there's B, and I extend a line segment out to here, call it C. The angle CAB would be equal to 180 degrees. Because you look at it, it makes half a circle. Okay, and if we're just going to erase this guy, and we're trying to make it perpendicular. I already mentioned the famous angle that this guy is. We're going to give this guy a different letter. We're going to call it DAB. Get it? Dab? Ha 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 ha. Hey, this angle right here is 90. There. 90 degrees. It doesn't have to be in this direction. It could also be like that. That's still 90 degrees. It can be the other direction. Still 90 degrees. And what is half of 90? Maybe you know, maybe you don't know. I'm going to have to try and get, you know what I'm going to do? Just to make this, I'm actually going to draw a 90 first, and then I'm going to kind of go halfway in between. Just for give myself a little bit easiness there. And oh, there, that looks much better. I'm going to give this guy 3 points, and we're just going to call this guy X, Y, Z here in Canada. Angle X, Y, Z is equal to half of 90, 45 degrees. Right there. So those are the most important angles you need to know. You need to know 45 degrees, you need to know 90 degrees. You definitely need to know 180 and 360. And here's a question for you. Okay. This angle right here is 45. Is that 45? No, that's actually 60. Look, let's change that. This angle right here is 60 degrees, right? I want to know what you think all the other angles are. You can get it all just by looking at this and using addition and subtraction. I'm not going to tell you the answer, but if you tell me the answer on Monday, who knows, maybe it'll be a prize. Maybe it'll be chocolate, maybe a pencil, maybe just a high five. All right, that's all. Watch the videos, do your 15 minutes of reading.